And now, let me pour the hot water in the cup. Next time, quickly put this on top. Now I'm going to put hairspray in. Look, clouds have formed. Do you know why? It's because clouds are made out of tiny droplets of water. Water can exist in 3 different ways. 1. Solid. Ice cubes are solid water. Number 2. Liquid water. Liquid water is where you drink from a glass. Number 3. Gas. When you heat up a pan with water, some of the water escapes into the atmosphere, causing water vapor. The sun heats up some water present in lakes, rivers, and oceans, and some of the water would come up, and it could condense because of cool air and stick to tiny dust particles in the air, and they come together to form a big cloud. In my experiment, the hot water makes water vapor and it cools down when it touches the cup and condenses. The hairspray acts like a dust. The condensed water can stick to the hairspray, forming a cloud. There are 3 types of clouds: cumulus, stratus, and cirrus. Cumulus clouds are puffy like cotton. They are seen in the lower range. Stratus clouds are flat sheets of clouds. They are found at the medium range. Number 3, cirrus. Cirrus clouds are feathery clouds. They are found in the higher range. Isn't it interesting? Let's watch more interesting facts in the next video. Until then, bye-bye!